Welcome to Microsoft Cloud Blog Updates, your weekly roundup from the Microsoft Cloud and Azure blogs, minus the conference noise. A big week this time, so here are 6 posts worth knowing from June 15th to 19th, 2026. Let's start with a practical one from the Azure blog, Modernizing your data with Azure Storage. Enterprise migrations are rarely just copying data. They're about continuity, performance, and cost. Instead of a patchwork of scripts and third-party tools, Microsoft lays out one planned path. Azure Migrate with a new Copilot migration agent for assessment, Storage Mover for online moves, and Databox when the data is too big to send over the network. Next, sustainability question leaders keep asking. Can AI scale responsibly? A peer-reviewed Microsoft study in the journal Joule measured the energy per query. A typical request to a large model uses roughly 0.16 to 0.6 watt-hours, about 15 to 60 seconds of a running PC. That's 4 to 20 times less than earlier estimates, because those didn't account for how efficient large-scale AI systems really are. Third, achieving success with AI. The argument is simple. The two things that matter most in any AI solution are intelligence and trust. Capable models get you started, but trust is what earns broad adoption inside an organization. So the winning approach bakes in security and governance from day one, rather than bolting it on later. Intelligence plus trust is what turns a promising pilot into something people actually rely on. Fourth, 4 paths to frontier transformation. As AI moves from experimentation to real business impact, Microsoft frames the value around 4 paths: employees, customers, operations, and innovation. The point is to stop treating AI as scattered pilots and instead re-architect how work happens, so AI shows up where decisions are made. Think of it as a map from experiments to measurable value across the whole business. Fifth, from the manufacturing world, Agentic AI for plant operations. For years, plants ran on dashboards, lots of data, but people still had to interpret it. The shift now is to Agentic AI that supports real-time decisions, augmenting operators and engineers on the floor rather than just displaying numbers. It's a move from dashboards to decisions, putting intelligence right at the point of action. And finally, a public sector story, AI empowering social workers. Caseworkers lose huge amounts of time to paperwork and administrative overload, which drives burnout. AI assistants can reclaim that time, handling routine documentation so professionals get more face time with the people they serve. The goal isn't to replace judgment, it's to give human-centered care more room to happen. So that's your week across the Microsoft Cloud and Azure blogs. Smarter storage migrations, real numbers on AI energy use, intelligence plus trust for paths to frontier transformation, Agentic AI on the plant floor, and time back for social workers. Links are in the description. Which one landed for you? Subscribe for next week.